Hey everybody, we're here to eat. This is the TheChanClan Eats Gummy Sushi! We found this at the gas station. I don't know how good this is. It's by Raindrops. I actually saw this at like the Chicago airport as well. So I guess it's a brand. It makes gummy sushi. Let's open it up and see what there is. All right, Lucas, pull it out. What do we got?
Can I open it?
Sure. So there's like some weird little sushi rolls. They're stuck to there when you peel them off.
But I'm sure those are like marshmallows.
You think so? You think the fish is fresh?
They're gummy!
They're gummy. Michael, why do you look so depressed? All right, guys, which one are you going to try first?
I'll try this one.
What's that? Salmon? There's only 2 pieces, so everybody take half of it. You can bite half of it. Michael's going to try the what? What is that?
I have no idea.
It looks like a little ring.
I just take a bite.
Yeah, take half a bite. And David's going to have some too.
I have like half a sesame rice ball.
What's it taste like, Luke?
Nope.
Here, have a rice
It
ball.
tastes like a marshmallow.
Tastes like a marshmallow? Does it taste like, what's that, salmon?
Looks like,
How about like a Swedish fish?
yeah.
It tastes like a Swedish fish? You guys just had sushi yesterday. Do you like this sushi better?
No.
All right, what do you like about it, Lucas?
I didn't even have any of that.
David will give you a bite. Oh, that's the same one that you took half a bite of, isn't it?
No, that's a different one.
That's a different one. That one has like fake seaweed around it. What is that? I don't know. Like a balby.
Ugh.
Michael's running away.
Warm in a bottle. Yeah.
Root beer flavored. Try it.
Root beer flavored. Michael is throwing up.
I do not like this.
Ugh. This is weird. It's like spongy and sour.
I know.
I'm trying this.
Your camera. Want a taste?
What is this?
It's a worm in a bottle.
Oh, is that weird stuff they put on ramen?
What's this stuff?
Are these just gummies?
You know the ones that we had at the Shirokia?
Yeah, they just give them some extra gummies.
Oh, this one's kind of yummy. This is almost like those raspberries.
Yeah.
How do I try this one?
Okay.
Open that.
Did Michael just abandon all hope?
So,
Okay, I'm trying the worm in a bottle.
I didn't know it was supposed to be, but it's obviously a raspberry.
Who wants to try the worm in the bottle?
Michael's coming back. What happened?
Tasted so bad I had to throw up.
Which one? The root beer one?
I don't know.
The sour?
this
Was it the
is-
sour one?
Yeah.
This tastes like.
Try that yellow one. That yellow one's pretty
I already
good.
did. This
Yeah.
one?
Oh no, the little.
This tastes like root beer.
Can I take off the fish?
You can have a bite.
Fish?
Eat fish.
So for all you local people, this was at the Nom Nom at Hele,
Luke, try some.
and it was $5.
Thank you.
Or you can get 2 pieces of real sushi. Michael's running away again.
Here's the other one.
Hey, don't run away. We got a second one. We gotta try the hamburger.
Oh, nice.
Come show us your mustache noodle.
You ate it.
You ate it already? Oh, it's gone. Does Mom want to try some?
No.
All right, favorites. What was your favorite?
I like this one more.
I like the fish.
The little berry. Where's Mom?
Sitting right there.
Does she want some?
I like the gummy.
Why not?
She doesn't.
Somebody go give her that root beer one. It's so yummy.
So yummy.
Let's just hear her yelling in the background. Have the root beer one. I dug. She's just laughing. No, I won't eat it. All right, well, that was the sushi. What is this? The gummy sushi made by Raindrops. Enjoy the adventure. Mini gummy sushi. And it said we had 2 gummy nigiri, 2 gummy
What was the times one?
ikura. So ikura is like the salmon roe. Not really. A gummy uromaki. Gummy kuni. What the? Koikuchi? I don't know what koikuchi is. And 2 gummy California rolls. So, yeah, it's really sweet and sour and full of gumminess.
I think I like this one.
$5.
California rolls don't taste like that.
Yeah. All right. What's the
everybody
verdict?
hates this one.
Lucas, Douglas, and David. For $5, would you rather eat the gummy sushi or would you rather have some real sushi?
Real sushi.
Well,
You like the gummy?
$5 at Kudu buys you about 2 rolls, which is 10 times better than this.
So what? Real
think-
sushi? Michael, real sushi or gummy sushi? Real sushi. Real sushi wins. Gummy sushi not so good. But will the gummy burger do better? Check out our next video as the Chan Clan eats weird stuff. Gummy sushi and next gummy hamburger. Subscribe.